Hi, my name is Penny and I'm the owner of 1 Cent Crochet, and today we are going to be doing a challenge. You guys want to know how fast I can crochet and I want to know too. So we're going to be seeing how much I can crochet in an hour. Now, if you guys also want to see how much you can crochet in an hour and compare it to how much I can crochet in an hour, then I will be using my crochet jellyfish tutorial but without the long tentacles. I'll just link it up above. And I'm basically just going to make as many octopi as I can within the hour, and I'm going to be filming the entire time. So you see we have our little stopwatch / timer here. This is going to be running the entire time so that you guys can see where I'm up to at all times within the video. I'm actually super excited to do this challenge, so I reckon that we should just get straight into it. I'm basically just trying to unravel all of the yarn onto the floor right now so I don't have to do it while the challenge is actually going. Okay, we have our hook. I also don't have the pattern in front of me. It's going off my memory. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, we're going. So I've already screwed up my first round. Damn it, why does the magic ring always fail on me when I need it to not fail? Come on. Okay, first round done. Tell me why that took a minute to do my first round. Oh my god, this is so much pressure. I've never really timed myself while crocheting, and I know that I probably should do it for like pricing and stuff, but I sort of just have a vague idea of how like long each plushie takes to crochet, and I just go off that. And don't worry, I will be switching up the camera angle at some point so you guys don't have to stare at like this particular angle the whole time. I'm just really focused. I need to get into the zone of crocheting. I always tense up my shoulders so bad when I crochet. This is why I have neck problems. So we're going up to, how many stitches? We're going up to 30 stitches in total. That's the highest that we're gonna get. I don't wanna look at the timer because I'm scared right now. I wanna try and get done like at least 3 of the octopi. Turned the camera. I just paused for like 1 second to move the camera so you get a more exciting angle. Guys, the reason that I'm doing octopi, I realized I should have said this at the start of the video, but the reason that I'm doing octopi is because I'm gonna make some of them for a upcoming market. I'm doing my first ever market and I am so excited. I'm definitely gonna make a vlog about it, that's for sure, and tell you guys like how it goes and all that. But it's not like a craft market. I'm actually doing it at an aged care home because they needed some people to come in so their residents can buy like Christmas presents. So I signed up because there was no entry fee. And so now I'm doing my first ever market and I'm actually really nervous. If you guys have any like good advice for neck and shoulder pain while crocheting, please drop it below in the comment section. I cannot even explain. I mean, it's probably because I crochet like this. Okay. Quickly. Oh, I'm about to be down to the 15 minutes. I want to add the right amount of stuff in because I'm actually going to use this for my market, so I can't just like shove it in there. I actually have to do it correctly. Uh-oh, we're about to hit the 15-minute mark and I'm not done. I'm almost done though. Okay, 15 minutes. Octopi number 1 is complete. Let's move on. Yeah, we spent just over 15 minutes on the last one. My downfall was the front loops only. To be fair, in the last one, I did screw up the first round, but we have not done that on this one. So that's really good news. Oh my god. Okay, we have 8 minutes left to complete this octopus if I want to keep up at the level that I've been going. Maybe I should do one of these videos every time I need to crochet like a bunch of something, just to force myself to get it done. You know what I should do? I should try this challenge again, but I should do it with loaf cats, like the loaf kittens. They're so cute. I've actually already made 2 for my market. I don't usually buy patterns. Usually I like to make my own, but this was an exception because it was just too adorable. I am struggling with this last round. Oh, we only have 25 minutes left. Okay. 2 done. This one's really fat for some reason. There's just no good way to put it. It's just really wide. Everything in my upper body is aching. I'm getting progressively slower. I really should have sat down for this challenge, but I'm actually silly and it's too late now. I wonder if I can crochet without looking. Wait, that's actually not a good idea at all. I'm in pain. You know, it could potentially be a good idea. For my last octo, instead of trying to go for a big one, I can try and do like a smaller one. Oh, come back. Oh no, come back. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Because maybe I could sell some smaller octos at the market as well. And that could potentially take a lot less time and we might be able to squeeze it in. Okay, this is giving me motivation because I knew I couldn't finish another big octo. So now the challenge is going to be if I can finish a small octo after finishing this one. If you guys can finish 4 big octos, like as in this size, within the hour, you should let me know in the comment section. Because if you can, I'm very impressed by you. I feel like if I was sitting down, my shoulders weren't killing me so much, then I reckon that I would have a chance at finishing 4 octos. But clearly I didn't think that through. And these are the consequences of my actions. Oh no, we're under the 10-minute mark. Okay. Another one. Okay, we got green yarn. Green yarn is back. We'll do it again. Why does everything have to go wrong right at the end? Because I didn't prepare to do a 4th one because I thought that I would only be able to get 3 done. That was my estimation beforehand, but I underestimated myself. I thought that I was going to go really slow, but I'm only going pretty average. Oh my god, this is going to be pushing it for time. Guys, this is cutting it way too close. Why can't I get into the front loop? Why is my hook suddenly not going into stitches the moment that I need it to go into stitches? This is typical, isn't it? No, we need to put safety eyes in. 2 minutes. Get out. Further apart. Oh shoot. We have like 1:30. Guys, sorry, I've not really got the good camera angles in this video. Sorry about that. I'm a little bit rushed for time. Okay. Decrease. Why is it so hard to go into the back loops? Oh my god, I've literally got a minute. I've got 60 seconds. Come on. My hook's not going into the back loops. Okay, I need one more decrease. Okay, 20 seconds. I can't get my stitch. Oh my god. Oh, I can't get the thing into the needle. Stop. Ooh. Yeah, okay, I get it. I couldn't get my needle. I couldn't get the yarn into the needle. Sewing fails me once again. This is so upsetting. It's all fine. Let's summarize the video. Okay, we completed, I'm pretty proud of myself. We completed 3 octopi, like 3 normal size octopi. And the colors are really cute. So this is gonna be great for my market. And we also nearly completed a little octopi. It's fine, I'm not like deeply hurt by this. Also for a size comparison, so I went up to 24 stitches on this one and 30 stitches on the normal sized one. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video very much, and please comment below if you do this challenge and see how quickly you can crochet the octopi. Clearly my downfall was the front loops. No, it was probably the back loops only as well. The back loops part screwed me so bad on the mini octopi. I was just trying to decrease desperately. I didn't think that it would actually just take so long. I should have put the stuffing in later, but it's too late now. So this is the consequences, and me not learning how to get the sewing needle through the yarn through the sewing needle. But anyway, in all seriousness, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more challenges, more tutorials, and more vlogs. And I actually really enjoy doing this, even though my shoulders really hurt now. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!